Did you know that a credit score of 752 is considered very good? Let's break it down and see why this matters for you. Credit scores typically fall into these categories. 300 to 579 is considered poor. 580 to 669 is fair. 670 to 739 is good. 740 to 799 is considered very good. And 800 to 850 are excellent. A score of 752 places you in the very good range, meaning lenders see you as a low-risk borrower. With a score like this, you're in a strong position to qualify for loans and credit cards with favorable terms like lower interest rates and higher credit limits. It also shows that you're managing your credit responsibly by making payments on time and keeping your credit utilization low. If you want to boost your score into the excellent range, above 800, there are a few key habits to focus on. Pay your bills on time every time. It is crucial to manage your finances responsibly by ensuring that you pay all your bills promptly without delays. Keeping up with bill payments can help you avoid accumulating unnecessary debt and maintain a positive credit score. By consistently meeting your financial obligations on time, you demonstrate reliability and build a good financial reputation. Keep your credit card balances low, ideally under 30% of your limit. It is advisable to maintain low balances on your credit cards to demonstrate responsible financial management. Ideally, it is recommended to keep your outstanding balances to a level that is under 30% of your total credit limit. By doing so, you can help improve your credit score and show potential creditors that you are capable of managing credit responsibly. And avoid excessive credit inquiries, which can temporarily lower your score. When you make multiple inquiries within a short span of time, it can signal to creditors that you might be taking on more debt than you can handle or that you are in a financially vulnerable position. As a result, your creditworthiness could be perceived as lower, potentially causing your credit score to decrease temporarily. With a score of 752, you're already doing great. Keep up those good habits, and you'll stay on track for financial success.